Hi Jay.
Hello, Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to give an opinion.
That's great. I have lots of opinions. Ask me.
Okay, how about movies? How do you feel about movies?
Well, I love watching movies.
Okay, and what about food?
Well, I like going to new restaurants, but I hate cooking and I can't stand washing the dishes.
Well, Jay, you just use verbs plus gerunds to give your opinion.
Did I? I love doing that.
Let me show you. There are lots of verbs you can use with a gerund or verb plus ing to give your opinion. There's love, like, hate, can't stand, and so on. So, for example, I love watching movies, or I can't stand washing the dishes.
Okay, cool. Now, with these verbs, can I use them with something else?
Sure. You can also use them with nouns. So you could say, I love watching movies, or I love movies.
Okay, that's cool. So how can I ask a question with these verbs?
Good question. Well, then you need to start with the verb do, then the subject, and then the ing verb. So you hate cooking becomes do you hate cooking?
Got it. Okay, I think I've got it. What did we learn today?
Well, we learned how to give an opinion with verbs plus ing.
Okay, great. Okay, what about you, Lucy? What do you think about English?
Ooh, I love teaching English.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.